Among the options in the Effects tool, you will find the Fill function. The Packed Fill option will try to get as many fill objects as possible into the graphics and distribute them equally. Mark an object or a group of objects that you want to create the fill pattern from. Then click on the star button. The star button stores the selected graphics to be used as the fill pattern. You can here add more fill objects by selecting them and then press the Shift key and click the star button. The star button displays a plus sign indicating that you are adding new fill objects to the ones stored. You can add up to 10 different fill objects or groups. Then select the graphics that you wish to apply the fill to and adjust the settings. Edge sets the distance between the fill and the edge of the selected graphics. Scale here indicates the maximum size that will be used. When the maximum size copies have been filled as many times as possible, the remaining space will be filled with smaller copies that will not overlap. Spacing sets the distance between each object in the pattern. Angle range will set the allowed angles for the fill objects. Click Apply to see the resulting fill. If you aren't pleased with the look of the random fill, you can simply click the Apply button again and a new fill pattern will be created.